Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Angie. In this video I'll be showing you how I do my super easy knotless braids. So I parted my hair into 4 sections and done 3 sections already to make this video a lot shorter. Then I go ahead and moisturize my hair with water and some leave-in conditioner. You already know my favorite argan oil leave-in conditioner. I make sure my hair is nicely moisturized with that. Then I take my tail comb and section my hair and start braiding. I start off by braiding my natural hair first and then gradually add on my extensions. The extensions that I'm using for my hair is the Expressions pre-stretched hair extensions. Again, start off by plaiting your natural hair first. I don't like to use gel. I've seen a lot of people using gel on their hair and everything, but I don't like to use gel on my hair, so I just braid it naturally, no gel, nothing. Braid your hair first and then take some of the Expressions hair extensions and gradually sort of like hide it from where you started off. That's what makes it knotless, so then you know you don't see the knot. As you can see, I'm not braiding the roots too tight because I don't like too much tension on the roots of my hair. I make sure it's nice and, you know, tight enough but not too tight. I want to be able to sleep at night. Guys, this protective style is super easy to do. I've done it in less than an hour and you know the results was just excellent, really. So if you're a busy person like me, try this hairstyle, you'll love it. It's quick, easy, get up in the morning, don't have to worry about your hair, just go about your business, really. As you can see, guys, my partings are not that straight. You know, the lines are not that perfect, but with time we'll get there. I haven't braided my hair in a very long time, you know, so just give me time, we'll get there. Yeah, just keep watching this video, and if it's helpful, let me know in the comments below. And if you need any more additional tips or information, just let me know. And there you have it, guys. So I'm gonna dip it in hot water just to seal my tips. Make sure it's nice and neat, and go ahead with styling. Then I towel dry it in a stretched position to make sure the tips are nice and straight. Quick, super easy, simple braids in less than an hour. Do it yourself, girl. DIY. Do it yourself. There you have it. I'm gonna slick down my edges, make sure it's nice and neat. We're not going nowhere with no edges. So style it your way, do it your way, do what makes you happy. Once I'm done laying my edges, I tie it down with my headscarf. I'll let that dry and do my makeup. Then after my makeup is done, I go ahead and take off my scarf. Woo! Edges on fleek. And there we have it, guys. My super simple braids, quick and easy. Done it in less than an hour. Really, it didn't take me long. So yeah, you can style it the way you want it, half up, half down. Do it your way. Hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like and share for more videos like this. Thank you, guys.